In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zendrop shipping times explained. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand exactly where that 8.5 business day estimate comes from, what it really means, and how you can set the right expectations with your customers. Let's start with what you typically see inside Zendrop. For many products shipping to the United States, Zendrop shows an average shipping time of about 8.5 business days. On the surface, that sounds like a clear promise, but in reality, you might notice that some orders arrive much faster, in just a few days, while others can take closer to 10 to 15 business days. This isn't a mistake. It's a result of how Zendrop calculates that average. The key idea is that Zendrop is blending two different shipping routes into a single number. First, there are products that ship from a US warehouse. These are usually the fastest. When a product is stocked in the United States, you can typically expect delivery in around 3 to 1 business days. That timeline is similar to what customers are used to from major domestic retailers, which is why those orders often feel very quick. Second, there are products shipped from a warehouse in China. These follow a longer international route. For these items, a normal delivery window is generally around 10 to 15 business days. That range can be influenced by several factors, including customs processing, overall shipping demand, and the performance of the carriers that handle the package along the way. So when Zendrop shows you 8.5 business days, it's simply averaging the faster US shipments with the slower China shipments to give you one combined estimate. What does this mean for how you run your store and communicate with customers? If a product is coming from a US warehouse, you can confidently tell your customers to expect their order in about 3 to 5 business days under normal conditions. On the other hand, if a product is fulfilled from China, it's important to set the expectation that delivery usually takes 10 to 15 business days. It's also worth keeping busy seasons in mind. During peak times like major holidays or large sales periods, shipments from China can take a bit longer than usual. Customs offices may have more volume to process, and carriers can experience delays as they deal with higher demand. To avoid frustration, consider clearly stating these possible delays on your product pages or in your shipping policy, especially for items coming from China. By understanding how Zendrop calculates that 8.5 day average, and by knowing which warehouse your products ship from, you'll be able to give much more accurate timelines and keep your customers informed every step of the way.